Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for the most insightful reviews and product breakdowns. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to what we confidently call the best freshwater pearl strand necklace on the market. The Ross Simons 6 to 12 mm shell pearl graduated 3-strand necklace with sterling silver. This is not just a necklace. It's a statement. From its luxurious presentation to its vintage-inspired silhouette, every detail in this piece whispers timeless elegance. Let's explore exactly what makes it a standout. The Ross Simons 3-strand shell pearl necklace is designed with a graduated layout of shell pearls ranging from 6 mm to 12 mm in diameter. These are not your ordinary pearls. They are high-luster shell pearls, perfectly round, smooth, and individually hand-strung for flawless alignment. The graduation adds a natural flow to the design, subtly drawing the eye and enhancing the décolletage in the most graceful way. Now let's talk about the strands. 3 layers of sophistication that sit comfortably, neither too short nor too long. The entire necklace spans 18 inches, with each strand perfectly draped to create a cascading effect. It's wide, about 1 5/8 inches, giving the necklace an impactful yet tasteful presence. A secure box clasp made from polished sterling silver. Not only does this clasp ensure a snug and comfortable fit, but it also blends seamlessly into the design. No distracting hardware, just continuous elegance from start to finish. Whether you're pairing it with an evening gown or elevating a simple blouse, this necklace adapts. It's versatile enough to wear to a wedding or an anniversary dinner, yet elegant enough for gala nights and black tie events. That's the beauty of pearls, they transcend seasons and occasions. And for those wondering about the presentation, it comes in a classic Ross Simons presentation box. If you're gifting this piece, the unboxing experience alone makes it special. It feels premium because it is. One subtle but important detail. The pendant width, though not a traditional pendant, is noted to be around 1.5 mm in the context of design flow. This gives the strand space to shine independently without crowding or tangling. It's ideal for anyone looking to build or refine a classic jewelry collection. If you're seeking that one show-stopping piece that speaks elegance without trying too hard, this is it. It's perfect for mature style, bridal looks, or even as a milestone gift, like a 30th, 50th birthday or retirement celebration. Every detail has been thought through. The symmetry, the polish, the weight. You feel the craftsmanship when you wear it. So, if you've been hunting for a signature necklace, something with poise, character, and classic charm, look no further. The Ross Simons 6 to 12 mm shell pearl graduated 3-strand necklace with sterling silver delivers beauty, value, and longevity. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more refined product breakdowns, right here, every week. Until next time, stay elegant.